Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 4th, 2022. We're going to talk about Meta today and see if the bottom is in this stock, because if so, then that means that we might want to come in and start nibbling and buying some of this stock up, because the anticipation would be for the market to continue to go up. Welcome to the channel. This is HueFin. I'm also known as HueFin News. I come through and drop price predictions. That's it. I come through and try to give everyone a heads up as to where I'm looking for the market to go in these stocks, so that we won't be afraid, we won't be nervous, we won't question why price is going up, why price is going down, because I anticipated it. So if you guys want to join me, go ahead, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to my channel. Now check this out. I did a video in Meta not long ago. It was on April the 24th, 2022. So here it is today. And I was playing the weakness into the market in Meta. Right? So I'm zooming in on the price chart now because I want to show you what my expectations were, because I definitely want to talk about this. Everyone has access to price charts, so it's not like we have some miracle access to some information that nobody else has access to. I'm looking at every price chart that everybody else can see. Okay, but the thing that makes me different is we have the ability to predict what the market is trying to do, and with that ability, we can actually anticipate where prices are going to go. And I'm saying all that because of, look at this. I'm zooming out the price chart in Meta, and you guys can see that the market has done something fantastic for those looking to find opportunities to come in and buy the stock. Okay, so back here in 2020, the market bounced off this line. Again, the market back in 2018 bounced off this line. Going all the way back here to 2015, the market barely came down and tested that line. And this trend started all the way back in 2013. Everyone saw the same type of information. And everyone, those who knew, came in and bought up Meta during that time frame. Now, is it just a coincidence that when the market bottomed, it happened on earnings? No, it's not. The market needs to placate. It needs to try to attach some type of news event, some type of catalyst to make people think that that's the reason price went up. But that's not the reason. The reason why price went up is because the market found a buy zone. That's it. The market found that Meta's price was attractive there, and they wanted to come in and buy the stock. That's the only reason. Not because the earnings were past analyst expectations. No, it's because people say, well, we saw the price all the way since 2021 fall 53%. Maybe now it's time for me to start buying. And that's what they did. That's it. So I wanted to show you all that, because that's one of the main reasons why, this stock could be a buy in Meta. But now, just because I'm saying that it may be a buy doesn't mean that you just need to sit on your laurels and just let the market run rampant. No, you still need to be on guard, because we're in the downtrend still. So let's not forget that Meta is still in a massive downtrend. And when I say it's a buy, I'm simply looking for price to go up. That's it. Okay, so if you wasn't able to take some profitability into the market in Meta on the 25th, the 26th, and definitely on the 27th, then yeah, you're down around 14% right now. Okay, 15%. So on the 27th, on the low, well, let's do the close. Could have got around 5%. Okay, that's about it though. This is why I'm here to tell you that if you're looking for a market to move, you need to know where you're going to leave. You need to know at what price are you going to take the profitability, or at what price are you going to leave and take the loss. Okay. So now that's the first thing, okay, to say that has the market in Meta bottom? Yes, it has. Right here. Okay, it bottomed. So we're in an uptrend, at least for a short-term basis. Okay, we can look for price in Meta to continue to go up. Now, look at this though. Okay, I want to show you all this. From this daily chart, this is where we need to be focused in on to see how high Meta can go. because the market here in Meta is making lower highs. Okay, it is making lower highs. So even though we may be looking at price going up, we just need to consider it might just go up to this level and begin coming back down. Yes, these are things that we need to consider. And when it happens, we won't be confused and say, well, why in the world did the price fall from there? Well, because of this. This is the reason. Okay, so let's look at Meta on the 2-day. Okay, because this is, no sense of the word, a massively bullish market right now, not in Meta. So we can literally see this stock do this all the way until August, to either it breaks out or it breaks down. We could literally see that. Now, this is Meta on the 2-day. Well, excuse me, on the 3-day time frame. I still see some bullishness here. Like, I'm not seeing the market as being weak right now in Meta, but maybe the 220 to 230. Is that a playable market? To 220, that's 3.25%. For it to go to 330, that's 8.5% moving higher. Is that playable? Is that worth putting on a price prediction? This is Meta on the weekly. So I wanted to show you how the market buyers are stair-stepping its way to higher prices. You can see this by, first of all, the market buyers were able to break price higher of 188, 190. That was the first area. And now the market has successfully traded price above 200. The market buyers are stair-stepping their way higher. So as long as the price in Meta trades above $200, even down here around 188, we're going to look for the market to trade sideways and go up. It's just that simple. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. As long as the market holds 188, we're going to look for the price to go up. Now, look at this. The first area for us to come in and try to take some profitability would be around 220. Yes, 220. We can literally see the market go in Meta to $220 and begin its decline and come back down. Now that gives us 3.5%. Like I said, we're here only to get what the market is offering to us. If it's only offering to us 3.55%, we'll take it and we'll move on. Outside of that, my next price target is going to be up here like towards 230. That's 8.6%. Now I can also see the market maybe do a quick grab to the high that came in here on February the 3rd. I can see that as well, but that's less likely than us actually seeing hit 230. Okay, so I'm gonna put up to 237. So the three price targets that I have right now to the market in Meta is 221st, 232nd, and 237 third. Okay, and we're going to continue to follow on with this prediction as long as the market in Meta continues to hold 188 to the upside. All right, so has it bottomed right now? Yes, it has. Basically, from this long-term trend in Meta, it has bottomed. Okay, now we're going to play some strength. We're going to look for the markets to go up, but not going to be massive right now. In order for us to become massively bullish, we will have to see the strength come in on a longer-term basis, which it looks like is being formulated right now. Yep, right now. So again, let's go ahead and see what the market's going to do. Okay. That was your turn. I'm done. I dropped my price prediction on the chart for Meta, what my expectations are, and I want to know, what do you all think? Where are we going to go in the stock for Meta platforms? Hit me up. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.